I mean, we were all expecting Big Brother Zimbabwe, but then it comes to the show, it's now called Brother in House Zimbabwe. And most of us were left confused as to what is happening. Why is it like that? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Today, we're going to be talking about the Big Brother Zimbabwe, or what we call a Brother in a House Zimbabwe, a show that has actually been generating a lot of buzz on social media with the Sangoma in the house. Let me address that before we go into why is it called not Big Brother Zimbabwe, but Brother in the House Zimbabwe. I see people saying, why not the pastor? What's the problem with the Sangoma? You guys would like to act on social media as if you don't visit the Sangoma, or even at your homes you don't have Sangomas, your neighbors are not Sangomas. Like, why do you act like being a Sangoma is a taboo? It's 2026 and religious and whatever that people do to practice spirituality tolerance has been built. This is not 1800 where people were called witch and being banned for being witch. If a Sangoma is in the house, it means that he's launching himself. I always said that Big Brother, you must take it as a platform to advertise what you can do. It's not always the media space that people want to be. If the Sangoma is in there, he's attracting his customers or his clientele. That's a bigger platform to advertise what you have. So I don't want to hear, like, I don't want to see it, guys. Let's just be civil. We're not born in 1800s. Okay, let's go back to what this video is all about. Why is this show not called Big Brother Mzansi? The big reason why it is not called Big Brother Zimbabwe is because of the ownership and the licensing issue. As we all know, Big Brother is not something that you can just use, because this is a licensed franchise that is owned by, I think it's an American company, and then other parts of the world, when they want to use it, they have to get the ownership from there. So this means that the producers have not acquired the name and the format, but instead of like just saying we're not gonna do it, they change the branding and then have something similar to that reality show, and then they call it Big Brother Mzansi. And another thing, what they want to do with this show, as I was seeing, is to promote local talent, music, fashion, language, and everyday life of Zimbabwean people, rather than copying the international brand that is already there, which is Big Brother Zimbabwe. I don't know what's going on. And why don't we have it on DSTV? Guys, remember that DSTV is all over Africa. I don't know, does Zimbabweans have DSTV? They do, right? I think this is another show, this is another reason that coming to a main platform is actually expensive, especially if your brand is not that big. But one thing about being on YouTube is that you can reach wider audience without having those censorship and whatnot. There are words that are not allowed on YouTube, but you can just press 18 plus and then just allow the freedom of recording, distribution, and everything that is going on. Because when you're having a deal with big brands like DSTV, majority of the rights will go to them, because they will not fund or push your TV or your show for free, because they, at the end of the day, they need to make money for everything that they've been given. But otherwise, what I've seen so far, it's a great production and it doesn't look poor. People are saying it looks poor. I don't see anything poor about that. I just see a promotion, a show that is still on its early days and is doing well for, like, it's good. It's really good.